Well, that after just doesn't end there. The Election Commission of India has now issued a strongly worded letter to the Commissioner of Police in Kolkata after a major security breach was reported at the office of the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal on 24th of November. Now, in this letter, the ECI secretary notes that the security arrangements at the CEO's office were found to be inadequate and has posed a potential threat to the Chief Electoral Officer, the Senior Electoral Officer and the staff working there. The Commission has taken serious note of this incident and has now directed the police to ensure full security for all officers and the staff, not only at the CEO's office but also at their residences and also when it comes to their daily travel. The ECI has further instructed that proper security classification must be put in place in view of the sensitive SIR-related activities and the approaching elections in the state. And the Commission has now asked the police to submit an action-taken report within 48 hours of receiving the letter. Ridhita, as far as the Election Commission is concerned, saying that yes, the SIR exercise is ongoing, but it doesn't mean the heat of the exercise reaches when it comes to the Chief Electoral Officer and the other election-related staff in the state.
Absolutely. We have seen the 24th November scenario out here in Kolkata DCI office where the entire office was actually blocked by this BLOs. Rather, in the name of BLOs, there was a lot of teachers, primary teachers who had come in protest of that. They're also confronted in the mics of in the boom of times now that they are here to support their brothers who are facing such problems and committing suicide or letting themselves to in such situation. And after that, we have seen how they have entered the office of the CEO in spite of Kolkata police guarding the main door. They have tried to cross through the boundaries, and they have also crossed through the boundaries and led into a team of 5 to 7 people have actually entered the ECI office. They stayed there the entire night, and also they had done Facebook lives from the inside ECI office. Now you understand that at what position was the security inside the CEO's office was questioned that day, that they had to write this letter to Manoj Pant regarding their safety and security. The CP has been written a letter by the ECI office. Shujit Kumar Mishra, who is the secretary,
increasing their security, ensuring that there is no breach, whether it comes to their offices or their residences, and an action taken report that needs to be submitted within 48 hours upon receiving this letter. Ridhita, for the